अभिषेक अजय कमाल
Rupesh is going slow. Begin. Abhishek. Gareshwar is going slow. Karo. Man balloon is flashing, guys. Karo. 3 to 1.
Because this is the last time, so you know, one thing I would definitely want to tell that if you know one person, if it will, I remember from college. First thing when it comes to college, I think it will be Anwar, because from first year obviously we were in the same class, but online also almost every day we used to talk on mobile and you know do stuff here and there. And coming to Ashish, I'll tell you, like obviously we used to talk, but Ashish, Ashish did a lot of work in background which like we never got to know, and like some person has some problem, family issue, used to shift the exam date and all, and we never get to know all those things. So whenever like many of the things that I got to know, for me that respect for him got increased. That is for Ashish. So for me Ashish was a really good person, then a good CR, because he used to think about everyone, and that is a really good personality trait. And coming to 3 to final, I'm telling you, final year has been the best, because I think I got close to a lot of people, especially my group, Vedai, Anusha, Mansi, Azim. We used to sit in class, do random stuff, backbenchers, and then got close to Abhigin. Abhigin also I'll never forget, but definitely we did a lot of fun in final semester. And online I used to travel a lot, Tarun and Rupesh, even Anirvin for a fact. Anirvin also we used to talk a lot in online. And but again Rupesh used to just send what you need to do. He never sent me final answers. And Tarun also, like coming final year we got
My message you will see.
We had our tactics to get
What are the tactics? Leak the
I won't reveal that, but yeah. Okay, and Shravya, Abhishek, Prajalita, Jashwant, thanks to MME, like Chandan and all, like got close to a lot of people. Then our PUBG boy Lokesh, whenever we used to see him, so yeah, thank you guys. Like it was an amazing time. Whatever, like I'll definitely miss college, definitely miss classes, definitely miss people here. Thank you. That's it.
Up to college, like I felt there are few things that has to be done in the college, so I wanted to do it, and most of the things I have done it. So first thing, I want to start with saying that I am here today. I got this much respect in the college, everything because of you guys. I am totally indebted to you for electing me as CR for the continuously 2 years. So I want to share one thing, like many people used to tell me, I don't know how far it is true or false, but like people tell me that your MMA guys always tell you that you are the best CR, you do all this
Because
stuff.
you are.
Thank you so much for that respect. Like I cannot return you this much love. Whatever the service I do, whatever the help I do for you. From especially, I want to tell, I learned many things from you guys, especially from the Keshav. Keshav used to tell me, even in the online semester, like I know everyone, I used to talk with everyone, but he used to call me sometimes. He only used to call me and tell, like, if you have anything to share with me, or if you feel lonely anytime, if you have anything to share, you can share me. Like I am your good friend. And along with that, he also told few more quotations to me. Like he told me who are real friends. Like he always tell me one thing: a friend is someone who enjoys his friend's success. So I want to convey to everyone, like friend is someone who enjoys his success as well as who enjoys his friend's success. And also sometimes he told me one more statement, like a friend is someone who doesn't criticize someone in the public but instead praise him in the public and tell his mistakes in private. I learned these things from him. Also in many other ways also I learned. And when we started this thing, like we got farewell from association, like me and few people. But I felt really bad. Like many of my classmates are missing this thing. Especially Avinash used to tell me like arrange something for even us also. Like we are going to miss thing. So for that we came with this initiative. I thank each and everyone for coming forward and making it happen. Like many others also interested, but due to some circumstances they couldn't join. So what else? So coming to classes, like you had huge belief on me. I hope I did my best. And also I want to thank Avinash for taking up that load in final year and believing me. So coming to my project, I don't know how much. I think everybody knows like Rupesh was more in the project, not more. He only was like literally just me, Azim, Chandan. I think all my project Abhishek, all my project mates are here. Before one day, Shukla ma'am calls us. I think Shukla ma'am worked more than us. First Rupesh, then Shukla ma'am. Then we go to ma'am. She's very clever. She divides the work equally among us. Such a way that in front when we go to project review, Rupesh also divides work equally, and everyone acts like we did everything. And whenever they ask questions, like Rupesh is little kind of introvert. He knows the answers, but he don't come forward. And me, Abhishek, we don't know the answer. Just we talk bullshit there.
That is the real power.
That's how we get good grades actually. So for this, I want to specially mention Rupesh for carrying this much load. And fortunately, because of this year thing, I got huge time and good interaction with everyone. I think I interacted with almost everyone sitting here in the online and in the offline. See, basically, I want to become CS, so I started my campaign in first year itself.
Next step.
I reminded one thing during our freshers, MMA freshers. I think many of people miss, but Azim is my partner during my freshers. I met him that time. From that time onwards, though I was not his CR, he used to come for me. We had great bonding. Like even when in the campaign, when I went asking some votes for someone, the reply got from them like no need to ask. We are going to elect you. No doubt in that. Those words made me to work more for you guys. From the CR to becoming a TNP coordinator, I learned a lot of things, lot of good moments with you all. Definitely, I'm going to miss you. Maybe I may have many friends outside, but forever I belongs to MMA, and you are my friends. You are my MMA friends, and wherever I go, I can tell you this thing because you are my base. I mean, you gave me the base platform for me. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Definitely, I'm going to miss you. And in future also we are going to initiate these things. I don't know how far people will come or not, but definitely we are going to initiate such more things. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Names.
Bindu. Chandra Bindu.
She knows.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so to be honest, I would miss MMA class. So, like, I didn't like it.
Stating facts.
Not even the class, not faculty and all. So, but it was nice. We had fun. So that's it.
Nominate कर दे किसी को.
Okay.
मगर रहते हो तन्हा पर इश्क के हमारे
नजरों के सामने मैं आता नहीं.
मगर रहते सहारे
Say, but you know, NITW sucks in million different ways. But still, I love it.
Still I love it.
Now I can speak because no one can see my eyes. But when I came to this college, of course, I think 95% of us maybe didn't choose this branch. So when I came to this college, I was not expecting a lot. So when I came to M section, I don't know how many M section people are here. I remember meeting Keshav. So he was in my same section, but we met in bathroom.
Long love.
No, mooth hai. This guy asked me even metallurgy, you know. Bro, wait 1 minute. So that's how I met the first metallurgy person. And then I think in lockdown I knew Mansi and these people in first year. But when I came to college during lockdown, I remember Abhigin sending me a lot of messages. He's like, Anna, website up and all So looking at that, I didn't feel like even during classes, Ajay sir comedy,
Jai
Ajay
Ajay.
sir sticker lo.
What LMS?
At no point did I feel that I missed college because other branches I heard from people that
Nancy.
Roll number 30.
I don't have like many memories from the class, but I would like to say that during lockdown also I irritated a few people, out of which it was Rupesh and Tarun and all these people, and I'm very happy.
Why us?
Hated.
Irritated.
अच्छा irritated. हाँ irritated बोल रही फिर ठीक है.
So like I'm not very close to all of you, but I would like to say that this was an fuck you. I would like to say this, that whenever I talk to any one of you, and you guys are really nice, and I met like the best of my friends here in this branch, so it was a good experience for me. Thank you so much.
Nominate करेंगे.
விட்டு மெல்ல இருட்டில் சிட்டி வாழும் ராஜாவுக்கு எல்லாரும் சொல்ல இவனை தொழுவானாயும் ஜனத்திறக்க காலம் எடுத்து வச்சார் சொர்க்கம் போலும் மன்னர் அண்ணன் தனி நாடன் கொல மல்லுமினாட்டி அண்ணன் தனி நாடன் கொல மல்லுமினாட்டி
Camera one photo. Great. YouTube vlogs బాగా అలవాటే నీకు. అవినాష్ ఏంట్రా ఇది.
अरे अरविंद చేయరా ఈ పాట కంటే చైతన్య పడింది.
అవునరా బాగా ఉందిరా మీరు పడి చెప్తున్నారు. అందరూ చూపిస్తున్నారా?
రేపు పెద్దగా వీడు అన్నది